So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit font size here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done, I'm just going to press Untitled number 4 to get a blank document. So to add some text to your design first, or to your board, I guess, go to the bottom right, press on the A with the square to add some text. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word edit font size. Just like that. So by default, the text is actually pretty small. Now, there's two ways you can actually do this. The first off is to press the text box and then press this little green circle in the bottom right. If you press and hold on that, you can make the text larger or smaller this way. So that's one way. But if you're looking for like a specific number of font, instead of just ballparking it, press on the text right here. To go to the bottom to where there's the black circle, AA, and then 31. Press on that number right here, and you can adjust the font size. So you can make it larger, 72. You can make it smaller by going to number 10. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit font size here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.